this episode of Signal to Signal, we are mixing things up a bit. A lot actually. Because we don the caps of father and son. No prizes for guessing who's who. And this time we are trying to see what's quicker. The Honda City with a naturally aspirated heart and a manual transmission. Or the Kia Sonet here in a turbo petrol and DCT avatar. This is the drag race no one asked for, but we did it anyway.
सुन, उम्र का लिहाज करना और जितना हो सके उतने कस से अपना गियर शिफ्ट करना, लेकिन तू कर ही नहीं पाएगा, तेरा ऑटोमेटिक है.
Okay, this one's a bit scary. I'm in a Sonet with the DCT and Rohan's in the city with a 1.5 and a manual. Youch.
We gotta do this for all the fathers in the world. That little son in the little Sonet is going to lose because I've got it in me to do that what it takes to uphold the honor of all the fathers in the world. Believe me, I am one.
In 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I have botched up my second shift, but बाप होता है और बेटा. I am feeling for the first time. I am feeling.
Made a bad start, but I was gaining.
ठीक है. Just because you are the son, I'll give you one more chance.
Yeah, I lost that one, but I don't think Rohan realizes how quick this car is because aside from the getaway, which I totally mucked up, I was actually gaining on him till the end. A couple more 100 meters, I would have had him.
And that's all it took. The trick in getting the Sonet to be quicker is short shifting because peak torque comes in between 1500 and 4000 RPM. And armed with that knowledge from a quick dive into the Sonet's brochure, we lined up again.
Okay, it's go time again. Again, this time I'm in the Kia Sonet. In that car is Mr. Well, I'd like to say Rohan, but it doesn't look like Rohan at all.
Okay, so here's what I think is going to happen when you drag race the Honda City manual versus the Kia Sonet. The Kia Sonet being an automatic dual clutch transmission, it's not going to let Ronak, which is my son here, rev the car up beyond 2000 RPM, which means his start is a balk down start. Automatics don't usually let you rev the engine all the way up. I think they're trying to protect the clutch or at times the gearbox. So that's what's going to happen. While me here in my manual gearbox, I'm just going to burn the clutch a bit. I'm going to dump the clutch a bit. And I'm going to launch it at say 4000 RPM here. It's a petrol engine. Hope to have a little bit of wheel spin while he gets bogged down. And of course, I'll try and capitalize that with quick shifts where I don't go off the throttle, but simply clutch it in and shift.
He has it easy, I don't, because, well, honestly, the DCT of the Kia Sonet is not the fastest. But let's see.
Oh my god, is my heart beating faster? Not really, I'm the dad.
Alright guys, in just 10 seconds, okay? Just stand by, 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
And here we go. In 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Good quick shift. By the way, I saw traction control light go on there. I see the FPV in hot shades. Oh no! Oh no! No! What? What? Yeah, this was just Steve Papa letting the sun win. Can we do this again? I don't know if there's something went wrong there.
Something actually went right there. Score check, dads and sons, 1-all. Now it's time for one last rodeo.
Alright, let's get ready. No mercy this time around, son. He's wiping his sweat off.
It's hard work winning, okay?
All cameras stand by. Here we go. In 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
It walks down there. So there is a traction control light flickering. I think we've done a good job here, but he's catching up. My shifts are as fast as they could be. I'm off. Oh no. Okay, I'm not even going off throttle. I'm good off the line. There's good amount of torque that keeps me ahead until I guess it's the DCT on the Sonnet that helps him catch up. I guess this is the result where the Sonnet does win against the City. But I'm bogging down a whole lot. If I can manage not to bog down, I guess Baap Booda ho gaya hai.
It's actually more than that. The DCT's manual shifts work a lot faster when you shift within the torque band. Now, of course, keep in mind the fact that the City has a naturally aspirated engine. It stood no chance against the Kia's turbo.
The City, though, is far from being a failure. It's a car for the city, for your family to be transported comfortably, and in that regard, very little comes close.
And even though that didn't go as expected, we are bringing this episode of Signal to a close with the son showing the father how it's done.